ABS-CBN Sports proudly presents the Adamson Lady Falcons,
Founded off that level. Here running principle.
the Ateneo Lady Eagles,
They use that a lot in game number one.
the De La Salle Lady Spikers, the FEU Lady Tamaras, the UP Lady Maroons,
6-5 is the score ng Bangkok.
the UP Lady Warriors,
Nebrida with that off.
the UST Tigresses, the NU Lady Bulldogs. This is the UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball Tournament.
We are back here at Volleyball Central at the San Juan Arena. And after the UP Lady Maroons come back in dramatic fashion to win their second game in Season 75 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament against the UE Lady Warriors, we get to our second game of our Sunday double dip. And it's a crucial one, and it promises to be a probably exciting and long one between FEU Lady Tamaras, who are fighting for their final 4 lives, and the Adamson University Lady Falcons, who are still in the running for possibly number 2. Again, it is UAP 75 Women's Volleyball live and exclusive courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports on Studio 23. We are glad to have you. Lady Tamaras playing more loose. You know, there's just a little more relaxation in their game. There's just a little more fun in their game lately. While Coach Sherwin Meneses naman, yung naging epekto niya is, according to the players, as I got to chat with them during this season that Coach Sherwin has taken over, is it's just a different kind of discipline. What a doubleheader today. What a doubleheader yesterday. What a weekend of great volleyball courtesy of the UAAP. At nagkakagulo na po ang mga fans ng Adamson dahil nangangamoy. Pero malayo pa.
Malayo pa. So this is just one step closer to the goal at hand.
9 serving 5. Oh, great defense by Listana. Pineda cuts it over. C, quickly. Ibinigay uli kay Pineda. Oh!
Straight into the net.
Six serving 9 now. Not yet out of the woods. You cannot celebrate. The fans can if they want to, but if you're a player, you have to remain focused on what's going on play by play. And that includes FEU, because they can definitely come back here. Underhand set. One-on-one. Vargas was there.
Basas off the block. FEU still alive.
That's something I would not see from Tony Basas 2 years ago, really. That strength that she has developed. Good for her. Look at her. Marintoni, Basas, full swing. 7 will be serving 9.
Hindi pwede ang palo dyan. Dito ang palo lagi, dito. Dito. Okay? Pag ginaba mo, depensa, grabe nila, grabe, Gusto mo mag-drop ball, sige, pwede. Pero yung approach mo, ganun pa rin. Pay, hingi, pay. Select kayo, para sa maganda. Silende.
Creeps them back up 9, serving 11. Safe serve from Eulalia. You can bet on that. Let's see what Adamson will do. It's a safe but a good serve. Chance for FEU. Uy, over-receive. Sinayang ni Guevara. Binalik kay Basas.
Drop shot.
Zapata was there. They open up to Pineda.
Off the block.
Oh!
Oh, good save from Marjorie Rojas.
Pancake save. Guevara.
Does not go
4
over.
touches. May ninireklamo si
Coach Sherwin
dito.
was saying that Vargas was a backliner.
Na tumalon.
So yeah, he stepped on the line. So
over.
Let's take a look at that.
Ito, tingnan muna natin yan. Ito.
That's what
She
coach was trying to say.
Looked like she stepped
Yeah.
over. Sheila Pineda is talking of this fifth set because this lead is down to 1. Pineda, ibinigay lang sa FEU. Basas again. Listana was there. We're all tied up. And the FEU crowd has come back to life. Tied at 11 all.
Let's see how strong the fighting spirit of the Lady Falcons are. Ito natin makikipagtibay ng dibdib ng ating mga players.
And the crowd getting into it. What a battle. They go back to Pineda. Delayed by the block once again. C opens up to Basas again. Pisa. Oh, what coverage by Pineda. Pinalik sa kanya.
Good
Set
block.
back. Nagagawan. Chance for FEU. Pama was asking
Pama
for it.
was there.
She was asking
She
for
was
it.
asking for it, and what a heart of a rookie.
Yeah. Look at that. Game face on. What a sequence. What athleticism by these girls. 12 all. Fifth set. Everybody being
Mind you,
treated.
boom, this is not the championship
Oh,
yet.
No, not at all. Pineda. Back to her. In the middle. That's a
Still
free
save,
ball.
Still save. Let's see what the Lady Falcons will give out. It's Soriano with a drop shot.
Oh, that's easily read though. Vargas tipped it over. Vargas asking for it again.
Off the block,
Hoy!
and Listana.
Lumamang na po ang FEU dito.
A little error there, Listana. Only one hand.
She was... Look at this. She put something behind this one. She went cross-court. Kanina pa niya tinatarget to si Listana. And Listana keeps anticipating it. Wrongly.
Wala ba yan? Sa receive lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Sibanyol!
Hanapin yung bola. Alisipin nyo, magbigay yung bola sa setter, ha? Oh, tara. Hey, tara.
That's exactly what happened.
That's right, and the tables have turned. It's now FEU with the lead here in the fifth set. Now they need only 2 points to close out the match. Maritoni Basas now for the serve. Putting it safely over. Poor reception for the Lady Falcons.
Pineda sends it to nobody! Oh!
Pineda.
How many times have I said it is better to be lucky than good? Oh, she's both. She's good.
She's good and she's lucky.
She got lucky there. She just sends it over with some top spin. Hindi inaasahan ni Vargas, and she couldn't get to it. A slick spot on the floor has to be wiped.
Pineda, very smart player.
19 points for her. She's serving now, so it will be up to Zapanta and Soriano. 13 all. Oh, Agno misjudging it. A rare mistake by a solid libero. Tell me, kahit sino ka pa, pagka ganito talagang pagkakataon, ang tensyon, lahat makakaramdam.
That's right. No matter how good you are.
Short ball lang, minsan lang sila nagbigay ng long ball, outside pa. Tinalong mo pa. O sige, kalimutan yan. Atake tayo. Atake tayo, atake. Bawi.
The crowd appreciating and Aruba Natikla feeling the tension also there. Sino kaya? Ano kaya pinagdadasal niya?
Wonder what she's praying
Oo
for.
nga. Like we said, they're going up against FEU next before Ateneo. Match point, ladies and gentlemen, at the hands of Bebs Pineda. Vargas. Not this time, says Listana. Zapanta. And that's it!
And Adamson wins this match against FEU in 5 sets.
What a match! Adamson breaks the trend. A celebration. The Lady Falcons have done it from the back foot. They lost sets number 1 and 3, and Zapata, the one we called out during the pregame, the one we interviewed, jams that nail into the coffin and toes her team to win number 8. What a moment for Coach Sherwin's girls, Ivy.
That's right, and very well played actually for both teams, but the Lady Falcons just, they wanted it more and hung on until the very end.